season. And of course, every home match they are in the beginning. Things are stop. Of course, they are being coached by the former coach and the coach on how competent they are. And they are quality signings. Supporters, this is the first game to know. Remember in their numbers, I will support you. We are going all outside by get 3 points because you say idea a boy in a football club that be my team them strong for Ghana and say they respect a venue and Nabuan yes Fedoma, they are charging Kuku. The whole last team be a loose apart from Ghana Football Club, now West air draw. King Fisher on we are then the best show moments on me proof.
Darling Jesus, you know the value. Oh, darling Jesus, you are always on my case. Now you, they give me joy, they give me peace, they give me grace. So I thank you, my Jesus. Thank you, my Lord. Darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you are wonderful, Lord. I love you so, my darling Jesus. Oh my darling Jesus, you are wonderful, Lord. You never leave me, you never forsake me. I can count on you when everyone fails me. You know the time to shower me with blessings. So I love you, my Jesus. Oh, love you, my Lord. Darling, darling, darling. Darling Jesus. Oh, my darling Jesus. You are wonderful. I love you so much, darling Jesus. Oh, my darling Jesus. You are wonderful, darling Jesus. My darling Jesus. Oh, my darling Jesus. You are wonderful. I love you so. I love you, Jesus. Oh, my darling Jesus. You are wonderful, Lord. Jesus, thank you, my Lord. Oh, my darling Jesus. Oh, my darling Jesus. You are wonderful, Lord. You never leave me. You never forsake me. I can count on you when everyone fails me. You know the time to shower me with blessings. So I love you, my Jesus. Oh, love you, my Lord.
Because we
I love you so.
are you.
Oh, my darling Jesus, you are wonderful. Darling Jesus, oh, my darling Jesus, oh, my darling Jesus, you are wonderful. I love you so. I love you, Jesus. Darling Jesus, oh, my darling Jesus, you are wonderful, Lord. I love you so, my darling Jesus.
For the thousands in attendance
You never
and the
forsake
millions
me.
watching around
I
the
can count on you
world from the capital
when
city of the United
everyone
States
fails
of
me.
America.
You know the time
Washington,
to
D.C.
shower me with blessings.
Ladies and
So I
gentlemen.
love you, my Jesus. Love you, my
Let's get
Lord.
ready to rumble!
Darling, darling. I love you so much.
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance
My darling Jesus.
and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
I can count on you when everyone
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Right, Okoman 97.1. And I don't pay a cent and I say, I could even summon a day, and I fiada 22nd day of September 2023.
You never
Now, not going to fiada, my cousin fiada, dear, no footoo.
on you when
Yes, global sports, yet, national fans, yet to media, good year, some and so not to media, bar.
darling Jesus, you know the deal. Oh, darling Jesus, you are always on my case. Now you, they give me joy, they give me peace, they give me grace.
Now, you're trying to say, I saw him saying, someone would try to cost away a good year. And an air bar, say, I'm on a name, say, if you didn't have a bar. And then in some not Dawson, some not Dawson. Ghana Premier League, yes, the best part Premier League. And then match day 2 as Shasia. And Okoman and so no hour yet. Tano Krum. But for a quarter, no, I bet not fear no more to Messi. I can't. It's not much as number 2 also. Because here, the match day 2 air coso. Yeah, update out on the bar, officiating officials. On Benjamin Dick Gimmin and net Yariba. Samson, I'm an income of a bar. Now, you would have action. Somehow, do announce when I cross what Ghana. Yes, sports, you know.
Jesus, you know the
Yes, me the moon come on.
oh, darling Jesus,
Bameka said join your live on Facebook or Okoman Radio 97.1.
they give me
Samson on YouTube, so your Okoman Radio 97.1.
you, my Jesus.
Who them up? Bibian swear come on and so na the amount. Now show one on the live hall. Bameka on the first of October. Yenya yesha na fe so no Okoman Radio Fufu Festival no. And on see media bar. Live from a shoe fabric. Chemu open area Okoman Radio Fufu Festival neba. Listen ya unya no Asanka. Asanka. Yes, I want to media Asanka na ba. Wa be di fufu free.
They give me peace, they give me grace. So
When I say utifie no be afro say free food be di.
you, my Lord.
Be di na enjoy home. Any odre yi. You know you can't catch your Okoman 97.1. And yeah there Fufu Festival neba. And Siano no. Manika said Jumeko be a tama and another pet and I see the global sports eba. One expert, it's a bet no Ubedi and one expert. And no Europa League and a Conference League Amanfo say out. Papa. I don't pay super bad Jumania and my serious. It's answer Wakashi out and from one expert. I go see Ojina was on Wakashi out. And one expert. Emma Super Bottom yet general. Samsung Verna water. And so Papa may come for the amount. Ojina no anianum Verna water. Uton so the Anwaka send me top Verna. No Bobby.
My kiss. Now you, they give me
And soon you may a chopper. Oh, for you a chopper.
so thank you, my Jesus.
And they sell Betty Fufu, Conte, and Mutu, sell pepper, light soup, Pem Quine and cutting quine. And soon you may a chopper. Oforuwa Chopper, Amanfo. I want to make come for Eddie Amao. Samsung, yes, CK Asari Ventures and a CK Asari Hardware. Now, CK Asari Hardware, a panel and Nadwa, POP cement, fibers.
They give me joy, they give me peace, they give me grace. So I thank you, my Jesus.
You know, CK Asari Hardware, Akuffo, Eddie Apam. And to Boram was CK Asari Akache, Nakotonia, my first year time. Samsung, CK Asari Ventures. Soft drinks, alcoholic beverages, bottled water, canned drinks. You know, be the one I swear, yeah. Retail and I say wholesale. Remo CK Asari Ventures, Penyabi, Amanfo Akuapem, Open Christ Apostolic Church, you know. And when I need CK Asari Ventures and Sonawo.
They give me grace. So I thank you, my Jesus. Thank you, my Lord.
Afenso no Monke bookshop. Adisiano me say homa suano be gina so e ma opano. E dia to books no nyina fafi Monke bookshop.
Darling Jesus.
Owo aya homa ademan kora ana afenso no panyifo.
You are always on my
Monke we Akropong-Akuapem.
Now you they give me joy.
Yeah, and then no old aya court no. Then cha on pena Monke bookshop and so wo. O friend ansa ebeka. And to the one care Akropong-Akuapem program na books and got to free war.
Oh, darling Jesus, you are always on
Samson Safari Valley Eco Park.
you they give me
It's
joy.
in nature the only here. Sunny the boy debut cano.
So I
The
thank
Garden of Eden and one Safari
you, my
Eco Park. Afe Bellice drinks. See Bubo be actually now no ma Akoman to Yamboko.
darling,
I Jumate Unya Bibianum and one any Bellice drinks.
darling Jesus.
They want a pineapple, orange, and our face no lemon, vodka mix and so on. And to Buboni be perfum, Bellice and so I catch it.
Thank you, my Lord.
Ace Dot Ventures and Ace Cement and Asset Blocks. Yes, you're torn where I catch it. 6 inches are your hollow blocks. Samsung are solid blocks, no per 6 inches on Tabaka. Hollow blocks 5 inches, Samsung are solid blocks 5 inches. Then Ace Dot Ventures. Akuffo area bar. Gasem cement here to be away. I catch it. Grandma and Afin soon to blocks no cement for fee Ace Dot Ventures. Prepaid in so will be. I can't area chill saying your prepaid joint to be a minimum does your car sorry. That's saying yeah, Jordan copy Quasiada Ace Dot Ventures a prepaid in your giant so and upon on some copy man at John or chain. You know Ace Dot Ventures a prepaid no any at home. So to me my so a cram talk now for and so you better prepaid in the amount. For Ace Dot Ventures 0534 987-122 0534-987-122. Now it's only Ace Dot Ventures sending come on. Chill out, eatery and pub. Chill out, oh, chill out. We said you and the papa dear unyan wedi. Baby papa so better now one thought no what did dinner you and I call home. That baby girl now sampa oh you're solid, oh you're heavy. And one chill out, eatery and pub. Let's see a pot of fried rice with chicken. Jollof rice with chicken. Plain rice with gravy. Samsung assorted fried rice. I know enemy favorites. Assorted jollof rice. And they chill out, eat you and pub area pub. Samsung panko with grilled tilapia. And also a bar. Panko with okra stew. You will be for foreign cutting quine. Open a light soup a year upon Chanama. You will be tilapia a light soup and also benya a year chill out, eat you and pub. For the Ampesi and control me still. And chill out, eat you and pub. I will be. Ramana Finsuko Didi, Ojrewani Didi, your pizza, spring roll, shawarma, club sandwich, and our Finsuno drinks are sort to. You'll be away, I swear. Open so make you order, so I bet my friend chill out, eat you and pub.
Thank you, my
Now, yeah, 0554 039 939 0554 039 939 and 0534 989 227 0534 989 227. Now so any chill out each and pop ending come on.
You are always on my case. Now you dig it.
T74 Tontina 74 immune booster make come for the amount and I'll pay Abu Bobby and it's in a year Kamusano. We pay my super rumpa super GT74 nom send a bear net over fire. It's super Bubo T74 nibi. If you are no one yanum. Jim Maya was say mandate to bought T74 be send a bear bit my way to man away in you fear. It is said no best immune system in and so and one T74. Yadebi how nano da make a super set T74 Ebuama prostate no a 2 at prostate enlargement a yidi free one it is super bubo be so Johnson come Johnson mum pam you know and can a super Johnson name what pam you know say share what the over and jama wonta and I say ada wanya Yiribiana or see that you say me Johnson mum pam you know to me be wonta. And I'm saying, Massa, I have prostate enlargement too. And you're talking about one time. I didn't know you did. It's a member man T74 B. And it's super Johnson so free. Or you say, Bingham. And in tough one, dear. T74 and man Mubu sir. Or damn young can over you man one him. Then you understand in Sabuno and no way at womb. And so I couldn't feature into a band of Munamun and him. I asked about Genesis. Nimna could be son of them. I was say, Damia Bubo T74 beam. Or bed you more putting Sakura on you can't upon your Bias Restri. Children who yet you mam. Sunset T74 National. Gonoria, Mamma, I want Trafacono. Oh, Consul Moncha Robert. Aquati Gonobi. That T74 baby, the free or syphilis. They come for the amount. Take now 13 footballers no mobile T74 and swinging through on farm out. Candidices. I catch my man. I'm one of the fans. You want Monsamania Candy sister Candy no. And your Candy tough you. And your Candidices and Najo Aboso. By your pair, Quamia can't add a child. And then your floor sister Candy. Sunya T74 be able to the free or the amount.
Thank you, my love.
Nothing so what all. Remember pharmacy shop, chemical bar shop, Sabeka T74. And up and do what to our friend 0246 073 498 0246 073 498 and at 0501 628 931. Now it's only T74 penny for income.
Oh, darling.
And Trencher come on and Ediaman and in some and sweat to me up.
They give me joy, they give me peace, they give me grace.
Now, if you're man about Super Solomon Paidu, the writer commentator and sweat to me at National Finsoro, I'm an common in a fin some out on Ghana Premier League. Match week 2, Matisse and Sembi Boba at the Free Premier League in Super. And so, no better than say, now you say, and also to me at the yes, sir, if you're something in am, and so no at me at the mind. Young now Finsono, Yanko fa, Amanan Como, and Famra.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw.
Yewura mu na afenso ne mfa ma ne nkomom nyinyina mfa ntutwa ensoro mfa ma me ka say ye kwa ma ne one expert ekura mu a eno nso ne yewura mu na afenso no amana ne nkomo ne nyina ensoro etimi apa sound so na level 3 me so try ho na yedi aye level 3 across city dirty rave no ho ana ne yenyina bawura mu no try nso no yetimi akwa gye ni level 3 de atum de akọ amana ne na afenso yetimi de amana ne nkomo no ensoro etimi de atutwa nso na de ama me nchase ensono mfamfia no atamache setumi tochwa ensono awa amanane uwura mu dia ngase we no African Cup of Nations mano enso atia no eno ada 3 matches ensono etumi tochwa uwura mu dia na se Guinea mano enso etumi tena fie etumi che Mauritius mano eseneka no pore enwochi 8-0 enso no aye Mauritius enso no entumi ante nano da Ghana yakose 7 no away ene Guinea ate Mauritius aman 8-0 Samson na Guinea Bissau enso tena fie amane Congo enso be pone kabakwa ono so entumi ante Gambia 2 aye Namibia enso ne 3 wenso na emano yeah, Afcon Cup of Nations, no. Yeah, qualified, no. Young son, yet to be there to draw. And so that the amount, young fear, baby, young woman, and so Europe. Now, friends, no Europa Conference League, no. Results and another young fan to draw. And so, and from Madia entering Frankfurt 2. I Albertine 1 for now, but frame. Not just London, and so 1. A Branton, the idea, Mitchie Bachuai, the Batman. And rather, next, yellow and black, no. A Branton to me, Ramo. It's my Poco. And so, my friend, a party. Bobo Kone Ferran Virus free. Bobo Kone Dim Adi Kukarika. And so 1 Genk 2. Fiorentina 2, Samsona HJK Helsinki 2, Park Thessalonic Ensona free, San Jose Abdul Baba Rahman, and Rata Baba Rahman Enso to me make assist, Enso to me my Park Thessalonic Enso Kebnam Liga Warsaw free, Aston Villa 2, there's the English team Sonata, and Sada Amfa Momo, Enso Europa Conference League, Ludogorets 4, Tana, and I said Tanafa, Enso 0, Branton Ding. And so the penalty pete etimebo 85 minutes and so no provide there 2 assists and so give them more Edima Ludogoret Bobokono Samson Ajinski and so 4 is that Akma free Club Brugge 1 Besiktas and so 1 Abrante Daniel Martin Ejramo and so about 90 minutes and so to Medima Besiktas Bobokono Abrante Vincent Abubakar and we try to make assist and so give them the San Commono and so they are Tucha, Adiamo, Dynamo Zagreb 5, FC Astana, and so 1, Zoya 1, Ghent, and so 1, Lugano, and so 0, Bodo Glimt 0, Maccabi Tel Aviv 3, Bobo Kwani Dim, and so Bright the Blake, and so 2, that's a match of Yama Konkai, and so now give them on Ram Victoria Pleasant 1, FC Balkani 0, Slovan Bratislava 2, Samson Vleski and so 1 where you know a Europa Conference League no results and Radam and Urama Yadia Tuja and so Nadia Mai Tifo Mami Uramu. And so no, our Europa League no more. Way a group stages no. Send a results and it's if I acquire Bino for Leverkusen 4, Haken 0, Lanslings 1, Liverpool 3, Branton team. And so no, Adia Darwin Nunesa Boko, Luis Diaz Anafensuno, Mohamed Salah, Mo Salah. And so no, it's my boy Ted Kono. And so it's my Liverpool Bobo Kono Panathinaikos 2, Villarreal 0, Karabakh FK 1, Mode, and so 0, Rennes 3, Maccabi Haifa 0, Royal Union Entro 1, Toulouse 1, Servette 0, Slavian Prague 2, Samsung Sheriff Tiraspol 1, AS Roma and so 2, and also any results no Romelu Lukaku and rather to me Poco and so to me Adama AS Roma Yadi San Comano and so they are Tucha and so they are second and your Branton team. And so no, goalkeeper, yes, on also to me and and former Sheriff Payas Amsterdam free, Olympic Marseille free, Pierre-Emerick Emiliano Francos Aubameyang, Etimabo 2 goals, Adima Marcel Bobo Kono Atlanta 2, Rakov Ensono 0, Branton Ding, Ensono Edison, Etimabo goal, Ensono Atlanta Bobo Kono na Brighton and Hove Albion, Etinefio England, Ensono to me a Chama AEK Athens, Eba Bobo by 3 goals to 2, Branton Ding, Adis DP goal, Adima Athens Bobo Kono Santona Ukopemo, Ensono Brighton at John Pedro, Ebo 2 goals, Tori Derek Lamptey 55th minute no abrante ne pemu enso be sia kan enso no etuma de ma aya Brighton and Yaman Konkan and former PH Pobokona and also come no yedi yama Olympiacos Paris 2 Freiburg 3 Rangers 1 Real Betis 0 Sparta Prague 3 Aris enso 2 Stormgrass 1 Sporting CP and so 2 na Nyama Konkan Adama Sporting CP Pobokono West Ham United 3 TSC 1 channel so Kudus Mohammed and Rata on also to me Jinamusia Kai Adama West Ham Pobokono upon 90 minutes and so ho a Branton to me say 2 goals and so now Kevin Yadia to jam Yadiama Gono Yadiamano T Yadiamano 66 minutes no a Branton Kudus Abate Kanomania 1-1 17 minutes no a Branton Kudus Mohammed and so to me Paul second goal no and so to me West Ham Pobokono and Tenrada Abrante Kudus Mohammed and making the first European game and so no Etimema West Ham on also to me 2 goals and so now came the man Yadia Tucha and so now Timmy Adiama out to Median so Mamin Friwo Minko Piemo and the matches are 8 to and so Europe nothing so no Yentuan Commando so and Fama Uremo the French League and then 1 game better jam big game 7 p.m. Ghana time no and so Monaco at Nafi no so at Matson some other OGC needs game na cost our start a Luis Monaco referee near the Milot on also a dramatic game no and so now one my yelling commando German Bundesliga 6:30 no Stuttgart and Afonso Darmstadt and also no referee and so at Jollenberg on also no Matthias Jollenberg about Tenefi what Chesa Kemno Amaniama Konka Kemno Bekoso our MHPA Arena and so Stuttgart San Comano Yadiapa and Yefidako the Italian Siriano so 4:30 and Salernitana and Frosinone Airport Lecce John Wabekoso 6:45 and Afonso La Liga and then so 7 p.m. no Alaves Pobokono and so Betenefi and so Stadio Mendinja Zoronota next almost to the point where Victoria aya Castilla a hot man asakem no and so cost referee Abel Rees and also be gram na fenso no what me dikem na Alaves and afenso no and no Athletic Bilbao and so to me at the point near San Comano and also yari tuja and so no the amount na the Saudi Pro League you know matches do on and so bet me at tuja and so now ho and the matches say tuja out the Saudi Pro League you know and so near 3 p.m. no Al Kadu and so now Al Kajali and so it's me the boy in Al Riyadh and Afenso Al Fire Abapo and then you 3 p.m. na 6 p.m. no and a big game of to super TNA sad game with a big game papa and Al Nasser Cristiano Ronaldo Sadio Mane, Marcelo Brozovic, Samson Talisca, Omunina Ebechram Edama Al Nasser, Omukwako Fesi, Al Ali, team Al Ali, na Al Ali squad in it, and in here. Urama Benjamin Mendy and as well Edward Mendy only a goalkeeper former Chelsea goalkeeper Owum Samson Abrante Demiral Mary on also Ejram Ademamo Ibinas from Ayamona Roma where Uram Adiama Ali Ohono Enyezi Ali squad and what dainty Abrante Frank Yannick Cassie Ewum Samson Abrante Gabriel Veiga Ujrem Ukopima upfront na Obenya Brante Roberto Bobby Firmino Right Mares Sergi and as a Saint Maxi Alan 6 Maximen Obewuram na say na big game no anobe dem papa ebeto jam enso na Al Awal Park our Riyadh I wanna Al na say and afenso Al Ali enso na eri bania yede atucha enso na de mai tie for me nwuram wonsem fufromu na afenso yendin komo on Okoman 97.1 dia say na nsam awto no enso sifa enso etie ma me nwuram na afenso no yantwa manfo network yeah enu ata coach your friend Georgian Club Obiba JK and no other papa no etumi ekwati Bobo friend Lanslings upon my 3 goes to 1 now weno etuma make Georgian Club Amana be the first manager in the history of Liverpool and also etuma make 50 wins in Europe 50 wins in Europe. That's a Georgian club, no, and other papa no etuma making the 50th wins in Europe. That's a common yadia pan to be by JK Georgian club and other making the 50th win in Europe. And also common on Yansu yadia tuja and so no etimi adiama yeti for stories and trendy Kudus Mohammed and other Kudus etumi kasa after the game no abra Brantene etumi send debut goals and so etumi de ma West Ham no Kudus ade nsama odro no etumi ade tuja and so na one ma and so no yetumi ade Pantene Muhammad Kudus nkoma no and so no yade pa na yetumi agwam ade ma Brantene chirem send ani ache senrata ono so etumi apo goals so no etumi ade ma West Ham and so no ontene yenten nsama Kudus Muhammad and Adam after start Brantene no etumi upon debut goal and so no etumi ade ma West Ham United.
Hard game, big win, 3 points in Europe. A good evening all round.
Yeah, but I think in the first half we had most part of the game, but we couldn't create a lot in the final third, and then we knew we had to better that in the second half, and you could see we created a lot of some good chances in the second half. So we just build on that and then focus on the next game.
In the first half, we could see that TSC had their strategy. We knew how they were going to play. They stuck to it really well, and they caused us a lot of problems, didn't they? Yeah.
Like I said, they're a very good team, so we prepared for them as well. But we were ready for whichever the game would go, because we had a principle that we had to play with, and then that was it. And then hopefully it worked, and we got the 3 points.
In the second half, you enjoyed yourself immensely out there. First things first, is the first goal yours?
I don't even know. I just know that it touched me a little bit, but then I just turned and then the ball was in the goal. I think I need to watch it again, but I just had to be in the back post. I spoke with Saeed the start of the game. Anytime he cuts in, and I'll be at the back of the post, and I was there.
Second one's definitely yours. When the balls from James Ward-Prowse are coming in like that, they're easy to get on, aren't they?
Yeah. He has a fantastic delivery. So anytime we have a set piece, it's a chance for us to score. So I just took my responsibility and made the run, and then it went in.
You could hear how much the fans were enjoying watching you play tonight. What did it mean for you to make your first start for them this evening?
Yeah, the support has been incredible from the fans. Even when we were down, they keep motivating the team and supporting. So it means a lot to me, and I'll keep doing my best like you see today for the team. That's what I'm here to do.
It's a big 3 points, a big start to our Europa League campaign. How important will that be going into the rest of the group stage?
Yeah, the group stage is about points, and every game is important. So and the start is also very important. We just need to build from this and then focus on the next game. But it's a good start already, but there's a long way to go. So we just keep building on that and improve ourselves.
Talking about focusing on the next game, very quick turnaround. We're up to Liverpool on Sunday. Excited to go to Anfield and play in the Premier League again?
Yeah. I approach the every game with the same mentality, whoever we are playing. So definitely we are up for it.
Winning Sama Kudus Mohammed, the poster boy, and not after West Ham Ensono, Etmechi Lanslings upon by 3-1. A Branton at the San Comano, Ensono at media to George Remusanrata. Yes, goes to me, no first go na Amanfo Kate on go to tea, or say Bonnet Tachino, after said delivering a pie, no, Bonnet Tachin in Tanu Gono, or did it sound one or say second go to the air, opposition, we know him say James Ward-Prowse, a banner kicks, a Branton yard, to obey the sim Tabayan or no. Kudus wanya kwadworo kura ono so etini and so etimi nyapem ya niama konkan nyanso na etimi ade man na after the game no another player and so the man West Ham and so no adding some and so na etimi ade tujwa and so no after the game no West Ham Branteno and so na den komagakra and so no ade jai.
Debut, how did it feel to step out in front of the West Ham fans today?
Thank you very much. The feeling was great. I was looking forward to play my first game, and today with a win was a nice feeling.
You certainly had the weather for it.
Sorry?
You certainly had the weather for it out there, the rain and the wind.
Yeah. I mean, this is not a big deal. As soon as we did it, so I'm happy. Yeah.
The FKTSC made it quite tough for us today.
Yeah. I think we lost quite many chances in the first 25-30 minutes, and when you don't clear the game with these chances that you take, then you know that these teams can create some counter attack and create a goal chances, and this is what they did. But of course we turned it around, and we have to work on this. Yeah.
You talk about their game plan there. It's clear they'd worked on playing in a certain way. They stuck to that, and it really gave us a test today.
Yeah, for sure. As I said, we get a win, and we have to work on this because we can see what we have to improve many things, and this is what we have to do.
Second half, though, we really stepped up, showed our quality. Mo Kudus got 2 goals. What's he like to play with?
Yeah, happy to see him score. I think on his full debut, and I mean the guy has qualities to create good balls into the box. So yes, that's really good for the team.
You nearly got on the end of one of those balls yourself, so close to capping your full debut with a goal.
Yeah, for sure, I wanted, but as soon as we won, this is not a big problem.
And when you are Branton friend Dinos and Rata, on also to me making a debut, and so to me, West Ham United on also assist, and so killing my son Commander. But after the game, Coach Adamaya West Ham, who ran in the David Moyes, and so didn't come away at the Giant.
Easy games in Europe, but I suppose in the first group game, it's all about the 3 points.
Yeah, and look, we should have made tonight's game a lot easier than the result and the way it went, but ultimately we've won the game. Look, we've had quite a good record in Europe as far as the games, and I don't know how it's a while since we lost a game in Europe, so that's another one we can add on to the victories. But yeah, I'd have to say that, I thought we played quite well with the ball at times, especially the opening 20-30 minutes. We looked like it, but we didn't really threaten enough or make enough chances. We had 1 or 2 opportunities. If we'd scored early on, it might have changed the game. But unfortunately, it took us to give away a goal and us then to come from behind to get the victory.
When you've come in and done these post-matches, boss, there's a lot of talk about game plans and tactics, and they've come here tonight with a game plan and they've stuck to it, and they have made life difficult for us at times.
Yeah, well, we done something quite similar to Manchester City here, and we got off to a good start and tried to hold on, couldn't quite do so. They were a bit the same today. We gave away a really, really poor goal, which meant us starting to chase the game, and we did. And we found a way in the end. We hadn't created enough chances, to be honest. But overall, we got 3 goals again, and we've been scoring a few goals in recent weeks. And in truth, we should have scored a whole lot more.
When in command, and coach on the David Moyes, head coach and son of West Ham United, and so it's me at the Giant area Mauna Uramu, and so play of the week, and as the winner Europa, and often so Conference League, play of the week, nominations, at me area, and now the champions in Akana, come as not here, play of the week, saying that here, Brantio Sinakan Edma Zinski, Colucci, and also Ewom Samsonam, and Musi, and so Liga Warsaw, Brantia, Pristovski, and so now Ludo Goret, and I feel so Ranieri, and so now Fiorentina, until when the players and I move back to Europa Conference League Player of the Week, and also Yadia Tuja, and so no at me, Maria Mabarbami Uramu, Namen stories in Libya, and also no Koso. And so no, yes, and yes, I am man of the match, and also no at Basubodi Autono, and so to me, Akoso, and so now on as Urama, and some Autona, and also no, yet to me, area, Barima Uramu, and so no stories, Cinemona, young first story Sakaro, and Fantuja, and so no, and from Mount Dianas, a branch friend Martin Odegaard, Arsenal, Kachiti, Arsenal, captain on Martin Odegaard, and not yourself, Branton to my signing new deal, and so to me, Arsenal. Fiane, Akropong 2028, a branch friend Martin Odegaard, and also with me, Captain Siakai, and so to me, Arsenal, the Gunners in John Mark, who play Martin Odegaard, yes, our branch to me extend the contract, and so to me, Arsenal, Fiane, Akropong 2028, a branch, and to be Siakai, and so no at me, Arsenal, Pobo Conan, come if you are Papa in command, mentity, yes, Germany, after Hansi Flick, report up, say, coach, your friend Julian Nagelsmann, yes, Papa, Ramum, nothing so, what was signing contract, and diamond set of Germany, nothing so, no stock coach, the German national team, it's report, Saka, Nanopa, say, Julian Nagelsmann, Papa, Ramum, nothing so, what was signing contract, and so to me, about a diamond set of Germany, no stop mastermind day, Amaniama Konkai, and German boy, nothing so, one make it just a Euro so, Germany Subet qualifying and come and also the through, and so by Yadia Tuja, Eddie Man, Yaka contract once and 7 Barca, coach I friend Xavi and Anderson, and other Papanum, and so to my rich agreement, and also to my extended contract, and to me, Barca, Pobo Con Fear Akropong June 2025, and they know, coach and the and so Xavi, and also better my extended contract, and I say, wa extend contract no enso etime de ma pass Poboko no Santo na Brante ne din enso ne de Orlando Baute Brante ne left back de ma pass ono so no adam ono so etime extend ne contract no etime de ma pass Poboko no after say Xavi Hernandez on head coach no asane contract extension no Alejandro Baute Barca koda no left back no ono so no etime extend ne contract no enso etime de ma pass ye de san come no enso de atucha enso de ma make pass and come no Brante friend Victor Rocky hona me den come no be see Brante no ene unsa Barca sign no but on said that muremu mbesi akan ensaram fama Barca say ye say no ata Brante no koye bo match bi obo Brazil international Brante ko piemam yes Brante akọ pick up injury enso no e was game no ma ye say no ada ye na to bama so I just say stretch as you kura na hania na dia de ne kwa Brante susa na say pra na akọ krom Brante friend Victor Rocky enso no Brazil aye kuru duanima ye de san come no enso no e de atuja enso no etimi e de ma ha na brebe ma kwan ama no come no enso no yetumi e de esi can see level 3 level 3 mi so djai tuba wa na ye kwa na fi so no yakodi odwura no me ka say any level 3 say odwura aye you know bra na be di won ho Akro City Dirty Rave that's a Akropong-Akuapem festival no yes yet to me the 28th of September akowie on the 2nd of October activities are all done and womb me maka say me wuramu 28th na Thursday but me wuramu Friday me wuramu 29th na Friday na me pia age 3rd ana mbohu ofia 3rd ana mbohu ofia me fiefo me ni obi ani nkra me kwa age 3rd ana me ba ko so dwira no me di me gina me ye yibia o ba no me ye yibia sa me say 28th of September no team level 3 say ni Akropong we dey wonchia mid evening jam let's say on Thursday ni wonchia but before wonchia no let's say to me shia edidi en komo say na plans no be fa Friday no let's say the jams kakra e dey tuam and 28 no 29th no and so na Dirty Afro Friday and Friends Dirty Afro Friday and Friends. Let's see you room 29. So on a me move no. Some catch it. See if you are in tufo. Na san kwa kusi fiada. 29 September no. Jada Friday. Our year level 3. We no Dirty Afro Friday and Friends. Me room. Na fin so you grow ko jeni. 30th September. Asa me tufo and then Friday. Me tufo. 30th September. And also no. I just wanna get high. I know 30th of September. And who room our year level 3 brand be high you just want to get high yourself I just say feeling high start as here and so no our year level 3 I know 30th now 1st of October no on the 1st of October I know and so no we know kill it or leave it our year level 3 let's say you know etime gni ewo second no and so Dirty Links and Vibes Chipping Pub and Friends. Let's say we know Dirty Links and Vibes. Let's say you can vibe odwira we no wa ba ya won say obetume fo ho no masa me no benya tie wa ba ya won so obetume fo ho no me no benya we ya hwan me no benya cause ma sisa dada me see fifie Friday a mo hu mo fie ha gem be ba adwuma age second year da ben Tuesday me ba adwuma age 3rd October 3rd October, 29 fa. Maybe 3rd October. Bia me tume fu bia. Enti ano so no. Enti level 3. Oho, ana odwire ye nyina ye kọ akodi. Na mo amunim level 3 wura Akropong a wuram awa ye Ofia Street no so a bebia eye GRA office no no opposite pe. GRA Ghana Revenue Authority office no opposite pe Ofia Street no so eho ana ni level 3 and so na wana DJs on bill no super ano thing fantastic DJs on sa ano bo nyo na just kwi pa na dem south here and DJ aye time ewo msanso na DJ aye Lastic and so ewo suspect DJ Pinto DJ Scotty do na friend aye the Jam King no ono so girem MC Romeo Taylor yes Ajasia ononagia ene na eso de awuram e de amawo sounds na Nestle MC ana fin so no MC Obroni ono so be giram ti level 3 de odwirei oho be de pa yura Akuffo na kan say milk and honey. That's sentin odwan suba memfo ani nkire we bia level 3 baby girls no munsia ye level 3 na fi yenjingu mu so that say ye jingu me so ye gym from 28 kopem 2nd of October. Yes, bibia ay kama MC Clinton K onu so ewom sanso na MC Viper onu so no ewoma yenyina ye twena afi so ma beka na level 3 Akro City Dirty Rave no odwirei yetumi agie ni papa na ne ama akonkan open table yes for reservations no ehunhia ma yu so we premier ni di table so ati ase ni yu so premier ni free 0244 0244 925 412 0244 925 412 na say on so free level 34 na wa table no dwirei yetumi agie ni na niama etumi kama na say media partners no Okoman radio ye gire papa nti ano so I don't know suba bia me metumi fo
na ohoye
na me adome hoye
ye de radia say obie Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 26 I say, I found something more bitter than death. The woman who is like a trap, the love she offers, you will catch you like a net, and her arms around you will hold you like a chain. Tizuba, we ene koma crowd piemum Ecclesiastes chapter 7, verse 26. A man who pleases God can get away, but she will catch the sinner. And the anone koma crowd super. Yedi Amazon 84. I say, I found something more bitter than death. Oh, baby. And I say the woman who is like a trap. Oba, why I say trap no do coach a trap na. The love she offers you will catch you like a net. Or she don't know the man a bet so to say net I had a chin nam yes. And I call him I say the arms and her arms around you will hold you on fire. Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 26. At everyone 10 years papa mio. In your Bible na kanyam na me count. I say I found something more bitter than death. Ohwade bia sonkron esi owo na eda de a 10 years papa me. Na okopiema I don't better just say the woman who is like a trap. Oba why say fidie ti oba why say fidie Bible na eka. The love also odo she offers you will catch you like a net. Odo obane de be man no ebe yese netie netie net ebe to say net sanko biom and her arms around you will hold you like a chain and kind of was the invention tisuba we no come out ba Friday and 24 and the ohwe Ecclesiastes and come out the ban say yes a man odo no de bia meka odo man Jesus Christ odo so baby be fine.
Oh yeah.
I'm back to normal.
Okay.
If you ask about normal. Masamba no.
Na nsembe na okrum.
So baba utie quotation here.
Nsembe na okrum.
Utie quotation one power one teacher with their beliefs. Quotation one tie ni.
Friday in 24 supermarket kire o.
Ba we ni nya futuo. Super we ni nya futuo.
Yanku yanim.
Now oba bia settle trap da.
Why?
Trap na wo mnintia na wo fi.
Say Friday in 24. Tie yanku yanra one for quotation ba.
Na say nra yambe enra ye ba de be. Na say nra na o papa di ni birthday.
Wednesday quotation ba.
Say na Friday ntie we
Friday in 24. Yanku yanim.
Nduba just say Bible no Friday no.
Say Bible. So what can we ana? On can we here.
Suba Mary. Suba Ghana Premier League. Match day 2.
Plans o. Maza. Plans o. Maza. Vina about trap for me tom. Ayi. Agwebina. Anana new video commander because Ohana. Get outside so Jay. New knock of baby say obewu ada so ana oka chen again na kroma no omo print posters omo je sen omo print posters omo je sen na je so no why na adwen say obewu ada so you know afutu obi enu a super ne wo de ba obi beti ade ede say ni obewu a so ni hu anti I don't know
ina ye ya papa Solomon we say near them 300 na
ube tu me for
na ne maye ne plan 700
ube tu before me ya wan san Solomon asem na
Solomon chese we no fa mo ntu hu mu ye e no chese o te na ahemfi soro wo no o hu say nipa guan no say na wo gwan nti o so kwhwe okwa no ko hu say ayo obia nti nipa eden eguan ana Solomon describe the way obia tefa
nti ba me san kan bi mama o say I found something super tio o cheche mu no o say I found something more bitter than death.
Time now
don't worry. We no answer that is Mr. Cority Pamamio. I say I found something more bitter than death. The woman who is like a trap. The love she offers you will catch you like a net and a chain. Oh my God. Oh, super. I love this Bible quotation.
Premier League
match week 2.
Yes. Now go PMO Sunyania. Challenge super fans. Hey, ja. I have stories about only Azuba only pay your call or to oh I said when I ran the Yakufi I mean in the Dinko more has say me. Or yada has bound. Patio has lenda bow. And then be sure I'm so pray.
Why not sound okay?
Oh, only pay ya. Oh, yeah, call your front top or your cotopa.
I know Kotoko.
No, case.
I'll Kotokoni.
Menim da. But they be a house in them.
Julia, all the fish and
Merababa,
a boy from Cartombra.
Oh,
Yakwaba, Yancombra, a barn. So what's now? I will be too full. Yakoba now, what was so? Friday, my catching. I have plans that though.
Hi, now let me share my wildlife experience with you at Safari Valley Eco Park. On our arrival, we were greeted by experienced tour guides who took us through an orientation on how best to enjoy the experience. We were surrounded by wildlife from the moment we entered the Eco Park. We saw zebras, sable antelopes, crown cranes, maras, silky chicken, emus, wallabies, deer, ponies, and so many animals. We watched the animals roam freely in their natural habitat, undisturbed by our presence. Our tour guide told us so much about the wildlife, their behavior, and how to interact with them. I even fed them. We also went fishing. Then we took a break to have lunch in the beauty of the open space. All of this fun and activities for a starting price of 250 cedis, and it's free for children below 6 years. As the sun began to set, it was time to go back home, but not before our sunset dinner by the campfire. We've had a thrill of a lifetime, and I can't wait to visit again. Safari Valley Eco Park, bringing you closer to nature.
Tontonte. Yanum sani efadwen. Ne efadwen mpa. Say na nim say brebi beba. Ama tontina 74. Opa ye ne simple. T74 abeye adru. Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esi nananom dodo so. Say de na dodo bua ma nananom enyare basabasa no sa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebo nipadua no. Emo immune support enti obi onum bie no. Abrebia ne ho den. Tontina 74 yin so yaye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti baby a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 se mennom tonti na 74 menya hoodin mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama sa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a wokọ pharmacy ana baby to nro bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onyamfie dumienu eto phone 050-162-8931 and a 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwedie nkratoi atom.
Take a sip and taste the flow. Life it be hard sometimes, but let it go.
Feel the flow for your patio. Bellas go get your feet on the floor. It's Bell Ice. We're feeling fun. We're feeling fun. Take a sip of Bell Ice. We're feeling
Jiwo Bell Ice Lemon, Pineapple, Orange, and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer in one pop peppy. Na enjoy. Kaise, Bell Ice, and what PET plastic bottle mono, and what 8% alcohol, and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer, and what can mono, and also what 18% alcohol. Nomnyansem, one toma nipa, only in fear to watch it, and Sessa Apem for num. FDA, Ajidredian Kratoi Atom. Bell Ice, Mephilia.
Another quality product from Bell Aqua.
Usika seme nkoyiana quick credit siasia say sika pe ennafo intina yabasa ye becheche wo yam bosia bonchehye ye ho wutumi bobosia wo yasia ye if you 1000 Ghana cedis edeko na ne ohia na wo national ID card wo hia sa wo betu susu wo hia awowa ye ngiseke bia anto ho wo nsanso hia say wo ne ye bebue futuo bia quick credit wo ho ma o say ye dwana wo pese wudi ana wo pese wo hye edwuma foforo ase ana say ye school fees ana bo ye Sumi ejuma phone so ye wo bi mamo na mom kai say ye mobosia e wo internet so afen so on mantika krobia batan Bank of Ghana and sa wo jumedie yimu enti tutumri kana frey yen wo 0302 200 390 ana 0596 920 833 quick credit lending made simple kai say jumedie yin hihye kakra wo
Ayiko. Me mama nyina ayiko. Me magana for ayiko. Ya from Nana Kwame Perry. Wait me from the finest and mama nyina ka chune me. Ayiko mre ye dwumadi fufuo bi kra eba wa kwemu e wo Okoman 97.1 radio so efiti joda ekosi fiada. Pramoto pepepe me tira mide ekosi 2 pm. Ya de nkomo mre bebro apomudensem afe ye bediga na fe ya kansem ekoso. Mo mudi o ma woda ene me nche na me no enka na fefe e wo radio so. Kayo eye ayiko no agye me say ye ya from Nana Kwame Perry enemy share
carry another you know say I be complete man yeah now you matter it for my mind
let's cherish our own Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. The day ratio more. I say a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. The day ratio more.
All right, young for official man, just watch media and so information at here. Family, I saw Okoman Radio 97.20. Catch on another song country as a flight from a 97.20 tour. Yana me bian Okoman so answer that on your video. Going to one journey flight no. Nasa flight no A2 Ejawa som ebe to me Ayashimedino era writer commentator Idra Santikopation and the Palmukotiasis in the stars young for Serano and Pharmacy Care Sorry Ventures Womo Eromasu Asia Yedi a yellow carted betronom Ediaba. Drinks are sort to be out pebia or down any Ecopium our CK Asari Ventures Obenyana Bonama Biasono 8 me kama sa a soft drink saso and alcohol beverages bottle water and also can water no on sa ebetimi akabi our CK Asari Ventures Obehuamo ewo manfie Akuapem near ACS ya Sharda no pay Homo and obetimi ehuam obetimi afre MP4 L020 396 7574 020 396 7574 and as a 0246 0246 5247 646 yadi enkomono edi ema genetier for sanso ena ukopiema bell lights and penny for edi ukopiema drink outdoor etimia bedwaman so na ohwe bell lights from penny for esiano fe bia wo mo edge omona esan se so we wedding we party engagement event bia we bia no onya bell lights drink ni bi won a eno betimi abo na ma bia so no etimia kama na eni kasem ene se flavors outdoor bia wo pe bi no ese lemon sanso na orange pineapple and also flavors outdoor no all down we ni echo bell lights abetimi nyebi na abo na ma bia so no etimia kama yenshan komona se entampa enso mfemfini se yene ni se nyame ado over the weekend the Ghana Premier League match day 2 matches outdoor no shasi gidigidi na ne okopiem na wosunyane Coronation Park Sanaba fakwa Elthanafie na wamo any RTU area rent time so 3 p.m. and a game no eto dwe game a ano den nyame yarmo chena say ne sia chia baby any Gold Stars ethna eye Ukopiem a baby any dance park na wo ene krobia Kumasi Asantoro area rentam so come no 3 p.m. so which means and that game back where no so eno chena game back where no kwesiera say ne sia tie ewa Cross Sports Stadium 3 p.m. Glorious across the folk ethna fie na wo any stratman area rentam so 3 p.m. and a game no eto jam Bechem 90 ethna na for Suji Abo Park na wo any Dreams FC still believes area rentam so South Sudan Adriana Stars ethna na jima bedu the park na wo so area rentam so wo any Ayame Diama Sporting Club Caroline United ethna fie na wo any Brekum Chelsea area rentam so Panto out of Lions, Etna Sogakope, Waffle Park, now Womoni Great Olympics, Oli Gbogbo Mashi, Oli Julie Ju, Oli Rosalinda, Oli Konso, Oli Okoman Radio, Area Rentam Sukama, Nations FC, Ethna Eya Brancasi, Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex, now more any FC Samates, Area Rentam, so na Nyamil Tuma Monday at Water, Waffle Park, Accra Lions, Ethna Fie, now more any Eya Legon City, Area Rentam, so it really tells us Ocean Match Day 2 of the Ghana Premier League Manchester. And what the Okoman so Nansadan Yefidiagro after match day 1 say and a Ghana Premier League Okopiema League table no ACT in Shratman already kind of the first position our 3 point Bobo Kwani Dini Aye Brekum Chelsea Etosumienu our 3 points Legon City Etosumiensa our 3 points RTU Etosu9 our 3 points Samates 1996 Etosunum our 3 point Dreams FC Etosunsia ewo eye 3 points Mediama Accra Lions Kotoko Great Olympics Panto out of Lions Sarabofako Womunia ewo 1 point Caroline United House of Folk Adriana Stars Nations FC Bechem 90 and also be Bieni Gold Stars Womunia ewo 0 points Yati ehon komaniano Eddie Emma Zenetie for na Ukopiema Sene Setie Abranton Dini Thomas Kwabena one goalkeeper Edma Ayek Panto out of Lions Onom AKP Ayek clean sheet Lawrence Eye Ansa, Wano Ete Pinesia Kain Edema Eye Samates, clean sheet, or being Saki, etc. Wano Ete Pinesia Kainama Brekum Chelsea, clean sheet, Vintusha goalkeeper Saudua, one more AKP clean sheet, and command so answer than your figure gra. Yeah, drop your details, and the latest Niniano, Eddie Imaginative for Ocean Life for Facebook. Send us yet your Facebook, and a more quantity at a year, RTU, Yamin Chadia, DJ Wada, Eddie Omotoso. RTU Akwakotu yes Sunyani Coronation Park na womu tu wono ohwe hawa place no o journey live for Facebook obenwu our place no womu SCC form womu tine drama ye register dama tama bia no nyame altman 3 p.m. Sunyani Coronation Park yes I don't know eye weda de o matoso kama no womu shatali jelo ento hwe eye RTU some first gamer womu ene eye sofok adwen time so Aliu Muhammad Sports Stadium no we are very determined say kwambia so no nyame altoma ne wo mo edit 3 points no kwakopiemu ewo ayetamalenti RTU team no nyame chade o makokodu to join live for Facebook oban say yes team no eso egua command so enshada enyo fidi agro ewo na say ne sietia bo kwa ne tin ede ayebe bia ni Gold Stars 21-22 season Osha matches out one boy omo first game win second game oblusie and the names are win betria so ebelusie win sir win so it will tell us to 2022-23 season Abebieni Gold Stars omo matches no womlusu just 3 tie pamame last season and say 2021-22 omo home matches womlusu 3 ebo draw 1 and kaninia win 2022-23 season womo home matches omlusu 2 and to game na Bebieni Gold Stars womo ene kotoko na game and 10 womo tie last season Bebieni Gold Stars omlusu matches 2 ewo Bebieni pe na ohwe draw omo boy omo board draw back 5 enka kani ni win enti obo game na say obo home game na so matches no to me win a ano 10 enti ohwe 34 matches played a win 23 draw 6 and also Okopiema lose no 5 enti Bebieni Gold Stars ochira korokoko no omugina ye nyasadia woma so ebetumi ahia yati enkomonom ede amagenete for kwesiada instructmani as folk muntie has supporters muntie na 2022-23 season instructor womo away matches na enshada nyakra enshada nya womo boss 17 away matches womo elusu aya 15 ewini 1 ebo draw 1 enti wohwe instructor nyame adoma akwesiata womo ene eye House of Folk area in terms of Amanfo bebre so with the cool chop cry House of Folk. But don't forget as a since Masro couldn't do a head coach ever the Ghana Premier League very difficult House of Folk as on bet opinion and Sunday a very difficult game at the moment yet and come on Eddie MZ 84 na young joining live for Facebook what may you say House of Folk Womo Oak Ladies House of Folk Oak Ladies na Oshe Oak Ladies na nyame chadie woman start on villain kakranka and you a house supporter or a house fan boremo Facebook na hwe mo guess no omo fe no ano thing mo guess won fe papa mo guess no mo fe Alice or say one attacking midfielder okay whether do we have to say whether the ordinary to so your boy or your ringer your boy your ringer your boy your ringer again you're very nice god one fair papa no one fair Sanchin Police and whether you fire your boy fan to so and also folk supporters no one join them more girls team no nyame atuma when him say since way one more ever bought division 1 to division 1 no many brigade on him say see no more coach no Madam Messi Tsego one and Dama biano Madam Messi Tsego Kwaku one on and 4 you know yes inti ya bwana daso kama no young girl crowd winga no fair game one fair Sanchin Police wow inti na ya fa goalkeeper Hannah Enfanto so fa goalkeeper Enfanto so mame goalkeeper we guess no the boys in so no fair Sanchin Police ti yan journey live for Facebook House of Folk Omo Oak Ladies no man no ye young adwuma sa no yes goalkeeper na daso kama no eno waso na bodwe minim se na bodwe ni 2 dia yes odaso goalkeeper who fair wada me afa Chelsea down kwanto so one year striker na ojourney live for Facebook na uhu Chelsea ya yede na to so oban your friend Chelsea dankwa wano ye striker game who fair na Manchester game na nenu ya game who fair and the Chelsea na taso no osha Chelsea or flat tummy akosia pebi but onyebi flat tummy Chelsea flat tummy pani wow Dabi anote na yenya Alice Osei ni wie Alice Osei fa Alice to so mame guess ni ya Alice ne yeboa omo fe young girl no fe papa fa Alice to so mame Alice Osei yes Alice na da so ro o sha Alice Jesu o sepa na o hwe ni we ni pokyan dina so kama o flat tummy ya Allah has a phone nyame atuma this season most supported in member na most supported guests no Oak FC Ladies yes Madam Messi aba say sia de bia dema and command so ensada enye for their grand store live on Okoman Radio 97.1 ayam fasidano and fama T74 I catch you say I say T74 sia no the new food drop bait drama so beer kan 17 no T74 yari auto beer war system ni mu bia no onya T74 drone bi no ma and betumi abo betumi from 24 0246 07 3498 0246 07 3498 and I say 050 1628 T74 yes a tura be drama so or gen home na Southsona kopiema Verna water makacha say sia no ensure do ewo kroma ensure bu one want to pay now yema ya kekere keni kikiskoki but Verna water be drama so Amanfo di Verna water one dance here eri chiro bia say oye engagement oye outdoor na oye party say ye odre festival be Verna water na ye di jim kama men koto nsuo bi ma mbe noma ma yem mbe ya grgrni kekele keni kikiskoki dabi abasa so hye betumi aba enti Verna water nsuo na bedwama so a obia e ka wasem na eni kasem ne say Ghana Medical Association womo etimi aboma baso a etuli tells say yes Verna water nsuo no yes edika en command so ensada enye fidiagro na makacho say odra festival be bia pel be didia on say yes you eat and they eat go zigizagema eye enso nyame ye troba yes enso nyame ye anapa 7 am sharp na wo mu ebiema tuma aduane ready food is ready come and eat yes enti enso nyame ye odra festival ye no mo na hwe bom kama aduane aso to bia pa bia say ope fufuo upe kukunte I don't know face the one as and obeka say a black destin yes kukuntin anwa den I don't me pepper aroinya mutio nsaso na ope like soup any a nambia se ope adwene ope we abwe kusie so ope otwe se ope amokua a nambia ope bia no kwanso nyame ya obenya bi e wono masaso ena ye nkatenkwa benkwan ebunebunu ense de bia meka se ebunebunu no ebunebunu kwan no unya ebunebunu na unya nwa kakra na wato fufu ten bia to so na wenya bunbunu ni we ya abusia ebeko zigzaga me vebi bia na boa na ma bia se na tumi ay kama be nwom ewo eye manfe bypass na manfe new road no unya ufi good vremu na obenwe nso nyame ye wo hono na boa na ma bia so etumi akonkan wo no omo ben eye apostolic church no obetumi afre empenfo ewo 0242 01 7553 0242 01 7553 to frɛ uje part ye engagement bia na so open order o metimi aba na aboa na bia se no etumi aye kama on man we still live on Okoman Radio 97.1 abedwa fa nya France ye be going to the stories ya me over the weekend Ghana Premier League matches out no matches bi one man no 10 ye ba na ye be din komo na aboa na bia se no etumi aye kama be dinner writer commentator yes AK wase o tension ni Jumansa bibi dano ketu bia na we have take over na amai bia so no etumi aye kama senior e was saso na papa the fresh kromania papa skavra skanu bedi papa nchen papa e brutal right e be kwa ma so ye be din komo ye ne eye sepike de Piero erma bibie ni Ghosters e be din komo ne bisa se nyame armo chero mu gamer wo mo ene krobia kumase asante koroko e de rentam so no preparation to say I can't say I'm first game I'm Colusie. Koroko first game. Womo ebo draw. Ehu bi do so and I say ehu bi ndo so at the right time be yen opening be din komo na bo na bia so no etumi e kama. Baby I'm on the touch from afar. Yankopon shana onyo kese join live for Facebook on Okoman Radio 97.1. Be so ba no comment, wa like, wa subscribe to a commenter. You bet to boase akikaninia enti ama. Senior
Raja.
Mema akwaba. Fie boko.
Nyame ado bebi aye boko.
And there Friday.
Friday. Se ne yeni mu no nyame aye bi. Ama bebi aye kama. Enti no that's what tiasi ana se ye de obo ade ase na watwa akwaba betu ye.
Yes.
Ye di afe.
Yes.
Enti no ye beka se ase dan karad. Bebi aye kama.
Now why feel what to say?
Oh nyame ado mo nyame ama de pebi achi ye na. Obi anwe.
Papa.
Right.
Okay. Papa.
Right.
Okay, metonka. So bibia fine.
Nyame adom bibia hye yie. Ma de pachia Nyankopon yada so atenkwan mu de. Bibia akoyie. Na ina na mu aiden kakrabat.
Na be fa.
All the same no. I think say Nyankopon de aso oya wie ne de na. Akanya.
Agaze nipa.
Sa be. But nyame adom ye ho ye pa hoden wo
obi say wenya bibi kakra kaw
ana unya idea dabi
on shada kaw na pasa
idea dabi
okay papa and out in kano abejafenya athrase obi are very seated ye ba hwe the Ghana Premier League ya me adom over the weekend and say match day 1 matches outdoor course so teams outdoor nanka Amanfo expect say wobo ebetumi win your matches no womo entimi enwini nyame adema over the weekend the big matches outdoor no ebetumi benya bi say Adriana Sas Ethrafie ne mediama a big game Bechem United and the Dreams FC a big game House of Folk and Ishatman a big game Ghosters and Kotoko a big game Sanobo Fakwa and RTO Accra Lions ni Legon City ano a Monday Nations FC Samates Panto out of Lions and the Great Olympics Caroline United and the Brekum Chelsea mini baby obi de befa senior yancho the Ghana Premier League mama Osimhen do ko enim
right I be say chia etiefu na o hwe this week o hwe last week itime de Ghana Premier League ne ekwa wie ne enim se nka Ghana Premier League ne ye enya de be ba so but ye hu na enim ne ekwa so enim ne yesi but etimi aba so ama ya bo first round ewie o hwe first round results e ba ya otimu say na ya ne sa because nia expecting ebi so one so NC yes into ne beka say yansa ye leko week 2 wo hwe week 2 a matches e wo ho a rata matches a anu ye den men kan da and apart from anu ye den so teams na first one will lose soon and we will make sure say in the second round and as a second match no obey then go be din kunim say na be ya ebe boya na one team then one supporters any then eje nti wo hwe ochina and as na start fine and match e wo ho no Tamale United and we say the first one with me sign bar down and ocha crash folk wonder e wo fie nti we ya ole kwa away no ebe ya din amano but we hwe Ghana Premier League na yesu say obi a bo fie o say we twa wa nti wo kwa away ne dey say otimi say wo say pomunsu anya den ya ono so ati fie no be make sure be nkonya be nsenkyerene wo say ball ye ball bibia wo mbi ye wo 30 man players ye ball park ne so ye wo players na nka say 11 and say ye wo referee and say ye wo one wo echi na won so one number bi no won so ebi wo nti mje say the Akuffo na be ye adwuma awo kina ene ewo fie nti meka say atu say se na bi ya one Akropong se na match ni mu ye din na last minute wetimi nya away goal na wonya last minute goal no away awo kwedi nya sha ma won enye bete ma won nti no as we make sure say obato we den one yema ye me ba okina kotoko na ye go stars yeah wo hwe say two teams here ade a obia ama ne homene so in the first round na yem say kotoko na first game no kotoko tena fie no ne Accra Lions abon nem je say nka BBC to ade ase na kotoko nyina expect say come back of odumu no and I say the second coming no obetima yen senje bat wo hwe ball kotoko for players no ball park nso ya menu right answani me say that time because me kotoko ni pure bat we hwe bat o boy answani because na me hu ba bia boys ni ball na ekọ wo hwe boy na hu attacker hu midfielder hu defender say when na atua bom a obi abeso ye nsenkyerene na obi hu say won ogina na but anko ye ntim dey say in the second match wa boy coach ni won be kasa and work away wo hwe statistics out to in the last season Go Stars ofie no wo you shoot 3 pe and wo ball draw 1 which means say you bought almost 34 matches na we lose 3 na we win ball draw 1 it means say 30 na say 15 home matches na aka ni na then we win ni na it means say ade obofie a oya ade ofie na kotole kwa away na wo hwe away match a ole kwa akogbo ofie ole kwa away akwa akogbo a na obo ofie na wantimi anteki bibia na wanye hwe no mejidi say ano ebe kama ma hu ade abokotoko players na supporters because ade a ebe ye hu on eye ochira but meka say coach na onim sani ya den watoto ni amafa nti mje say bia on boys na kasa ama why one year seje because now no boys no many pre-season ni na supporters ni kikamu eba kotoko hu say wo ni ekọ nti now awoyi aye communication team a afi what start say wakasa na fi kotoko supporters na say one way we say no something is going when kotoko when we hu the outcome of the jersey eba abontin THB ni ade we hu ni nyina say na ekọ ni nti no mje say now ayele kwa away no mje say obatoto won yemaye na wetima akọ Go Stars na ja wetima akọ at least won nya hwekwa say wetima the points there if Go Stars here then eba timje say ade a ebe den ebe bo enki say wetima nya point fi away ba mje say ebe bo ya pa afin so me fi wa me ba Akropong na nsuataman ade bia Akropong nsuataman match bia right about tough okay men can ada cause we share ball a Akropong any atu ko ball Tamale na o share na ye match na nko focus bebre efa goalkeeper ata ho say ni mo de ball enso ani but o share ball na course na in the first full 90 minutes which means say the goalkeeper na the best just by say in the last minute no open no went my there ankle kiti then ball no o share Linda no money na bounce back because no we play we na bounce back it me say going to what in a fie Akropong Stadium what in so at men idea obey then we make sure we win in the first game na etimi abusu the supporters moral because in the pre-season we win all the matches one penalty pre-season we win all matches yes all the matches one goals we say almost 30 something goals yes. But in the league na just starting where the 1-0 and then my supporters in the year we say in the preseason with me say go in I didn't do match and kasa say tournament and kasa with me say but board say na make no obi a ayere ne ho obi a station ho e woni fi nti so ko ni fi o make sure say wo ba fie ne nkuya de kwan bia mefa so bia me bia mefa so myself that's what happen e ma I to show but you try instructor man who's your first match or you need the first match which league table corner that top yes until who's your instructor man was starting in good way and as in good position what manya the first win na etima busu mura amana obetimi den e dey akone nim for the match na den eba so no until me say sa goal sa win na wonya in the first round no ebetimi aboa wo ama nwotimi abobo ni ye awa Accra Sports Stadium so wo mo ni wotimi bobo la wo boy in the first match na ebetimi aboa wo at least nwotimi nya draw because me expect say so atama ebetimi ane akaso for bodo draw Accra Sports Stadium but mega efie ni fie has ni bia ye say ochina Sunday obewini oni tweye because okobo draw kura na ba akọfa asemaba yeah men kan na da okobo draw ko ba akọfa asemaba so all they need is win because me expectation for on Sunday but just by instructor me more match or more match papa but why you won obetima den etimanya win afimu memfa mediama na aye aduana o hwe this week on the Wednesday aduana mediama and aduana den
on
Accra Lions
yes
ma in the first half no and I say in the match no Accra Lions timi share 2-0 before ansana mediama den come back e be share 2-2 which means na woko Africa ni ade ntinam say coach ni RSC players ni bia se ne be ya ababuya den players no na wantimi akwa the next Africa na say second round wantimi akwa ntimi dey say volleyball ochina no obetima make sure say wole kwa away to aduana no me sure say coach ni be say abo ni first level and I say obeti because our match ball Champions League then ebo so that's the reason me when say in the home game no okutimi ko ball draw but in okwa away no to aduana wo hwe aduana so ya in the first round no ono so wantimi anya ne ye ankoye amano it you only bufie no obe make sure say in front of his supporters no obe make sure say obe win then sa match no then ama supporters ne then ene eje wonu say Champions League go wo mo aduana Sports Stadium wo bo wo bo away in wo bo Champions League no ntino me je say no be boya ama still wo betena via ma supporters nya receive say away no wo le kono e Champions League betima then etima ko bibi wo ntimi je say aduana ene mediama match no me are going for aduana say aduana be den be carry the day Accra Lions Heart of Lions and Great Olympics wo bando be tough match
yes Lions
at any Olympics only gbogbo be tough match be tough match because we share Lions we Olympics and first match board draw e wo fie na osare kwa away na
Lions so kwa away ko board
draw nti Lions so kwa away ko board draw it means match ni be tough match tough no be but because Lions go fie no fie ni favor na kakra fie ni favor na kakra but or the fie no you say because of me bo fie ni nti no be favor one hwa na Great Olympics are quite surprising yeah because we show Olympics are in this preseason it was so quiet yanti Olympic that's the reason Kurantia Togbe Omo festival no match no one more
cup game against
one more because now when we say no one preparation then enu baby I say standard that I say then what bonti that's the reason I went to my the ambo and I'm about betim Kara and betim Chelsea Bekum Chelsea make say in this era we say Ajua and this what two players are what the players in the preseason were so were quiet in the preseason.
Senior member, mama come on the somra na mene the PRO ma baby any Gold Stars Sir PK any come on yame omo china wo game wo any crop bia Kumasi Santuroko everybody entazo me antie so ye meet but ezan say your friend it no obesi oni bonite to say yamo akwa ban famro Okoman radio 97.1 FM so
many amejo so
baby any to say
baby any boko anapa insuena gugu showers of blessings everywhere across the length and breadth of Western North region precisely baby any
wow Yanko ni say, mo first game, mo kwa we mo kolusu ye. Nyamnya mo chena, mo ne Krobia Kumase Asante Koroko. Yeni mi say big gamer. Obi ehwe nim say bebi ani the first game we lose no last season. Omo home matches, omo lusu matches 3-2 matches we no lusu e wo home. Nyamnya mo chena mo game against Koroko. Buye mo preparation to saying.
Well, I mean that was an mention T4. You know, last weekend, better Premier League in the free year. We lost to Brecum Chelsea or Golden City Park. It was very hectic to us after losing that game. Yeah, can I say, sharing him say, you're very preparation very well. As I speak to you, team not prepare ahead of any Kotoko game, no. But before say, at this time around, no, we have to win the game against Kotoko or be any dance back. The first season you lose, second season you about draws. So third season, we have nothing to tell our supporters than to make them happy. And making them happy, means you have to get them the 3 maximum points. And so far, they are prepared very well ahead of the game.
Last season, Babiani Ghost Stars 2022-23 season, Mulusu just 2 matches. A year home. Then I work him out this season. Then I'm over work here. Mulusu match be home.
Believe say focus on and determination, and this time around, say, you have worked on it, and the operation is that this time around we are not losing match at home. So if you are not losing match at home, then it cuts across. And but the bumpire is then because at all costs we have to win the game against Kotoko.
Yanshani say, I'll bet me players an update. Obi Pra, players in the crown, injury update, as saying.
Well, for now, I would say that most of the players, are fit for the game, with the exception of Abrante friend Farouk Adams. During our preseason, he's still not back to the team. After Abrante, a friend is Ella Ibrahim, and so you knock on also your fit, Amankwa Frank, and also your fit for the game. Apart from this player, the rest of the players are fit. I heard you say we are waiting to create the amount.
Obeka say Krobia Kumase Asante Koroko ye one clubber. The India say teams are don't any omo pressure be do omo so kakra. Pressure ni mo so.
Not at all, Minia. There's nothing like pressure.
Tiyami ado mo china mo she Kotoko e wo dance park.
We are winning the game. We are giving our supporters their winning bonus, and their winning bonus is the 3 points. So we have to get for them.
Yenyan tiesen why busy and I'll jitum sorry yebekasa yembese yebese obre dan and I'll be catch supporters tickets on send seminal at saying presenters some PM on member and comment and won't come out saying.
Well, many answer your kind, be accreditation for presenters. And I'm gonna apply very soon. Any moment from now, you better publish it. One accreditation yet media momo so that Central for Baby who say they are part of it. And what Osha, the ticket is going for 30-60, 30 for popular stand, 60 for VIP. And we are calling on all our supporters, all major stakeholders. Say Omombra Park, and so now American is a very good football. Because when you are watching Good Stars and Kotokodia, you should know that any day you have very good football. Because last season they showcase here, first season they showcase here. So our supporters should come in numbers and they should come early. Now I'm very the stadium for the 3 points because match and your match, and we are also going to make sure that the 3 points are more. It's your number supporting team now.
Sabiki Arabia say Sony Okoman Radio 97.1 Eastern Region Edin Komo.
Many am to my CP any my palm where Yami Sam non come on.
Yeah, that's a pa. And the Piaro Edema Babiani Costa Sir Piquet and on a swap to the Boise Abu and Komo ahead of Yami Admochina the big game at Etoja Ewo Dance Park. Babiani Ghostas up against Krobia Kumase Mbetema Asante Koroko. Senior for a new year, mammy.
And this is an Americano who shall be coming to us here with me winning this first round, first match. When we will to me winning match, and it means what I call a career. No, we will make sure say Usam Murana when you want to be with them. But the career on a way Olympics boy our board draw, which means ɔno nso bɔ fie no make sure so ɔbɛwi ni ɛwɔ fie sɛ na bɛyɛ a sɛ no ɔka no hu sɛ you don't have anything to give to the supporters sɛ ɔma o the winning bonus the winning bonus is 3 points so carry make sure ɔbɛwi ni first then match na wɔtumi de move akɔ nti mgye sɛ go star Carrera ne we be winning first match na wetin me den but be dia Carrera because of breakum Chelsea o hwe players a won be one squad na hwe preparation wa year for the league you know o me say onya we kwa me anyam surprise the last match Nations Chelsea na Samates
Nations Samates
yeah wetin say Nations Chelsea we ba Dream Chelsea Wednesday ya ma Dream Chelsea on 1-0 but o hwe match a Nations Chelsea boy ya now it was so good than breakum we Dreams Chelsea kura wo because what she apart from go na Dreams 9 minutes na wo share when hu bo bi o share that boy extra bia o share Nation Chelsea obo ni nyina but just say there's lack na den anyone afa nti na the wetin me dey nka ko betima nya draw kwa na wo dey akofie nti me say wo kwakwa tena fie na one Samates no e be ye den o share Samates say this week na ankoyi anya den ama won nti me say wo bobo fie no dey I go for a new say
okay and senior and artist on so Eden Kumakra Eri Aba young Vasidano Farmer Rooney's bookshop and stationaries my catcher say open a books outdoor area there say a textbook be golden excellence mathematical a textbook best brain at your young caneno den time with JHS when your best brain be in suya sebe obeye yasa nti ukopiem ewo Rooney's bookshop and stationery obenye bikama say ye exercise book so and a teacher's notebook A4 sheet diaries markers once a markers bu on mo ye wo temporal own and ye wo a permanent own nti unya kwanya markers correct one bia erobetimi aboa so na calculators storybooks bible ade bia di preach kabalabansa yes oborema obenye bi ewo hormonte books bia ope bia no opiem ewo Rooney's bookshop and stationery obenye bi na aboa na bia so no ebetumi ayekama obenwu omom ewo Manfi police station in Chepe police station ona obenso omsu omubutuo obetumi afrem peniform 0249 21 9599 0249 21 9599 and I say 0243 946483 0243 946483 na boa na ma bia so no etumi aye kama Rooney's bookshop and stationaries omama disua aye memene Baba yanko enim Simano 2 the Ghana Premier League match day 2
right my main chair tie biom
amachoso
na yanko so na o mase ene o mo ma adwane o Facebook live and so asara ka se o mo dia asa breni abrinyina o mo se o msika de to data de share Okoman 97.1 radio my main chance local enfi Aduana Stars na Mediamba game no I think say be very difficult game especially we share ekwan Aduana fa so first league match elusu game no to team they didn't Samatas by Longo because that game na nke baswa anko bia it's all cancer Samatas e be share Aduana enye nipa we brain e be to ase because we share Aduana bia team no performance ewo maybe a term yenim so matimi abeje Ghana Premier League ni bi performance omo dan na de call Africa and we share Aduana ye team a omo ta ton players sa yes oh boy Aduana obebo ache kakra ansa na obekọ kra no akọ and we share team na consistency adwuma we Aduana team no but ekolusu to Samates game no and now Aduana returning e de aba doma abesi akan against Mediamba and ye nyina hu ekwan a Accra Lions efa so call Mediamba home ekọ board that 2-2 no sani e dikan de atojo an wo hwe Mediamba na preparation omo ye for Africa omo na Horoya game ni nti ema league match na say seriousness bi amasa ema die minute na Mediamba etimi ete that goal no man kwa 2-2 and omo kwa kopiem odoma no kan Aduana ebe press on bed den ombenya the window ombenya winning so far so omako lusu baako to Samates no lusu mienu eto aso I think say a very difficult and obe disappointed with supporters e wo doma honum so I think say a very game emu be din kakra but o hwe head to head between these teams Aduana winning 9 draw 3 and Mediamba so winning 3 and you could see say Aduana answer that medium so ga kromobo home no dey slightly meko dey am aduana so metimi we need that game because we share squad na the room this season na last season squad na and such bia ni musa because aduana a team back one say be share players here no ade no so edom akoma so I think say meko slightly ade am aduana but game ne ending a draw cra I don't think say e be mo but last season you aduana team medium ba G League no cra still aduana ko share medium ba both home and away but this game and I still think say slightly aduana betimi I carry the day nyame ya adoma eda kwesi ada ma mento aso e go stars ne kotoko game no I think say very difficult but head to head no any nyina akodi ama kotoko because last season na go stars eba Premier League num and we share matches between one kotoko last season na home and away ni nyina kotoko etimi e win game ni nyina now kotoko nso abo ewo kumase wa mra kotoko anya win until now no fans na say abambu ya bakakra because of Sanya man inti o say kotoko ere no say anye ye kra ya away game say minya draw kra nke betimi aboa ma bia eden etimi akonanim e de amanti Prosper Nate Ogum against Air Michael Osaya yenyina nim so no so efi kotoko mu a ono so e coach team and din e the Gold Stars me no ka say so I think say between these two coaches yenyina nim experience wise no say Prosper Nate Ogum after so no be ye adwuma kan de ma kotoko G League nti performance was oyade chen Air Michael Osay but I think say in modern football no Osha Michael Osay so one of the coaches are young guys or no so epic keba and Osha the performance was through years so it's up to air goes about one problem I mean say goes as ebenya because some top man I bet no go tete eja bobo or see we Ghana Premier League you know and ebe big blue e ama go stars because nyina hu here last season after so ofi Kimfas journey go stars no ye hu ne performance 16 goals or share the ma go stars na ne boy e ma baby go stars edi o league no so no etimi eye the man enti I think say now man lose that player no ebe very difficult e ma go stars but at least one kotoko e born na unya at least a draw cra but omunya win e dey be plus but a very difficult game. I'll go for other draw in that game, you know. But
Kotoko, baby, any go stars.
Yes, Kotoko. I'll go for draw, but Kotoko carry day now. And because say on my draw on my first game, Barbara Sports Stadium. So I think that game, you know,
a big game,
a very big game.
We lose. And I will draw.
So I think say a very difficult game, but I'll go for air draw, but Kotoko. It's me here on Hokakra.
Okay.
Because of say Go Stars, also key striker. And this is, yes, this is you know new I play on my replace Abednego Tete. I don't think say performance in to Abednego Tete Diano. So I think I'll go for draw win for Krobia Metema Asante Kotoko. Now has the folk in Swatermine. Yes, now can ye game biasa.
But I say a game.
Yes. Now can you game biasa because we share two teams now. Last season in Swatermine by has Eshom home and away ni nyina. Aha. Nientia abe game. Ame wo say ye kan ho asem de say has team na nkoyi.
Okay.
No cry back on.
Pre-season omu rename as.
Yes, and American member so no. Pre-season ye hu has team a obi antimi ansha as of folk e pre-season. What you say right?
Only division 1 teams boy.
Yes.
The last game of the Premier League no nations boy no shame.
Yes.
Okay.
Enti omunya pre-season no very good kakra because enyan himself pre-season mostly no yeah they ehye niema.
Okay.
Yes. Enti team ank wa call pre-season na niema nyina akoye wa be piem kofodua abebo a couple of matches no Nations FC or no so yeah the newly promoted side Ebo. Now that team no ya started season now. Yes. RTU a difficult ground said my house, but went to me and Tresse. See, Princes in our and I say, so ya Banfa, so went to me and Tre, our RTU game, no, because attackers are no more share goals in my house in India. I think say RTU game, no, and yadi omu game, and also.
Okay.
Now, Oba Accra Sports Stadium, Abebo, Oba Accra Sports Stadium, Abebo game, no, and yen himself last season. Niema Nkwe Fama has Wakra Sports Stadium.
Okay.
Yes, last season Nkwe no can be and I has Ecuador I think 12 or 13 our league table no so 12. Yes. Our league table no so because of Accra Sports Stadium because performance not very bad. Now I return it back at the about and crying. I think say has team no money be bia dan say on be den on be winning game na the supporters because as a supporters na abamu yebu because ni omu ko hu no eye preseason no
different from no
I change asesa kakra enti ama supporters na kasa bibiri what you say enti e was has omu ni bibia ye so on be den on be winning game na the supporters but yanka say inso achema team no omo some additions Abusa no has a folk what you say and now in Swatman
or signing the former team
on the former team na kobo and one of the midfielders are who papa will game in the back or yejuma more will game no Abdul Manaf Omar
on
yes
okay
I join in Swatman share 2 goals first leg match no yes idea Manaf then and share first goal the man Swatman and after so if he has no so who say the performance in here I was through how trese akwanya no enya has no ye nya time amano e has no enti now no baby obeko bia no obo no modern so be den obehye go ye be ka last season RTU ehye has no
on share
go no last minute go no na omode ehye has ekodi side 12 no so I think it's a very difficult game yes Nations Wembley there bia grounds me has a ball wa me hu bibi stronku bia ya den etimi epiem but bia grounds say I was say has team no omo muso because me problem say has I change entire team no
okay
and I me problem kakra because defense ni nyina players has issue am last season I kept players too our defense war and I think say consistency no and ya de betimi aye adwuma but all the same no they have to win this game sene be ya ombetimi ade de ate omohu anim because supporters na award omo adwa pa enti has de no enso eno no
right okwane saying
has de no I think I'll go for has but game no has or draw
game for has
or
has a phone you benya
tie enya so omo ni me benya has supporter bia betima
say oka
has supporter bia betima ase ni amekan omo team ni ye as omo brother foforo anti team our brother foforo there I am finding it very difficult so be there obetimi winning matches what you say edu ba bia mu ye de anataka hye bakon afam now there and season is started yes early days yet one game there but still now I don't see how to folk team they say a team ebetimi a compete this season papa simple because they have new coach technical bench you know assign a new technical bench now players omato players bebre e dey agum players pre-season matches enya dia players cry ku omo that matches
and also say coach no munja first round and as yambo this season we no for monitor team
yes I was say pressure there ye dey to nchen
okay
yes we has to full supporter pressure there for to nchen I had to say na Chelsea build what you say
na there
omo build me dey man on Chelsea no yes
omo so me there
build no omo build because okoto young guys e dey omo ba na players ni nya nkai fo ni omo ball last season we je omo nyina omo kwa anya rebelde now yeah rebelde
and this season
and rebelde no so ebetimi afa ebi anu so yen den etimi fa ya de mienu obode na ebetimi afa efa na afa mfa so na cheza pascal no what you say so I think that's the folk no
catch the Papa Phrase ye ni ye obi ani kurum ya obede team wa
no looking at how has it for young man
oh madam
no senior I'm to young players
madam
and looking at how I'm signing
young players yeah utie last match between new nation years in Akuffo Kokofodua utie na supporters in the kind supporters na supporters okay say watching nation years watching na go yen kotoko watching 30 now team ni good I want be kind
my be phone lines no 0551 667755 commander there yeah 0551 667755 0551 667755 for subetimi afre na ode wadwen kire area banyame ado over the weekend the Ghana Premier League House of Folk fan kotoko fan kone sign the amount 0551 667755 0551 667755 oko Facebook Starboy on the top from afar half meme Starboy on the airport na Star Papa
Otari airport wa.
Yes, start
yeah. Me nti a Starboy. Me nti da bia Starboy edi achi. Na Nyankopon shira no. Half meme airport. Yes, Starboy aya de nyame shira no pa.
Divine so monitor.
Yes. Ye chi obi bia ewo Facebook one ye chi omu nyina. Amunko so why monitor Okoman radio.
Program yen one here.
Okay, yes.
And this we monitor na we friend na na me say nkura ma yen so yetimi de yakwaso ye den ekwa mi ti say someone say obi a no say wo me yemu say yen one here show no. Yen one
sometimes no be one ma omutie show no but so obefro be kasa yen.
And yes, on get to radio so kasa.
Oh yes. Kasa ya Amanfo.
But tie de omutie pa. Omutie. Right, I will try callers no. Say na American no. Has game no. I think say a very difficult. Me and fan chance I say can was a has a winning game no because players are has a use no the same players and answer at German so use that young guys na Omani break some betimi I be the among clubs na that young guys and I want so at man now kwasha as foka I think say plus the man that players no what you say enti e ho be chem United team a omotena ho e man so at man show mu mienu what you say
very difficult
game
catch right I say in the preseason has essential top team bia who are every supporters now say they have problem.
Anything I make us some expectation or limited expectation.
Oh, they woman go high.
No.
The
teams that has any omoko board that preseason, you know. Yes. What I say, yes, so United one of the teams they pick it from Division 1 ever. Yes, I'm a form new one.
First call about man. So hello, good morning.
Good morning, Aboman.
Patrick, I'm out of Patrick. Didn't be a free boss.
Where you make a team of Safira Johnson, tell me what big weapon.
Young Queen boss.
Yo, Ochana. The daily good stars near Asanto Kotokobe winning Ochana. House also, over who say pre-season a different goes one goes now better than league and another Western war. Pre-season, teenagers when you go to the house also over loses Kotokobe winning. I'll go point it up.
Okay, Mr. Medasa, 055166. 7755 0551 667755 na omo kruma za oni ba omo odamia be ya na yenye ya za senior papa facing
medicine I think say senior medical can a very difficult game Edman has team no man finally sense at my walk over has in your last season album home and away there but all the same you know I think that this is normal some additions to the squad and old guys you know that's so and normal some additions very difficult but I'll go for her to folk but game near and in a drawer I mean I share that more because him has form you know say new players and has put it together. If I say forming formidable side be I bet me I pray for trophy in years coming. So I think it's a very difficult game Edema you kind of say has of folk but also more yes it was more
final words in Yanko time call
I think
call about hello good morning that's what you be afraid
what frame the 442
442 Yanko him
Mr. Quimby for Sunday has be winning
okay
and in right I can but
all right you made us say okay 442 now so no so Erin come academy Esther Blanisi na enye is but na ni see na unipa na enye yasa di ya be sorry so na odamia ne obapa Esther the announcement but mu hwepe na the finest ebetra se na ne aka wechi no biaso no etumi ai kama arom ye still live on Okoman radio 97. Dr. Medina writer commentator AK Papa Fresh and also senior team linear solid K Brown where the omni boy ama biaso no etumi ai kama mamomo akwaba odamia
Solomon Beidu
bibia fine
bibia eboko
Esther baby welcome so ho ye pastor be microphone mari Odamia announcement on Fantudja.
Okay. Aka sima num na premo ato e wo fidwe mu aha Okoman 97.1 FM. Ebra so say yeden kaibo any edwatonde de besum etiefo na se wonam abonten a wehu adepa na wetumi ato.
Nia edi kan yi ye adwuma hu akwanya